What I ate in a day is a 20-year-old vegan focusing on easy, high-protein meals. Hungry delivered everything I need, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Starting with breakfast, I had a quick and easy overnight oats with blueberries, peanut butter, and cinnamon. Then for lunch, I had some really great options to choose from, but I'm such a texture person, so I went for the fajita chicken lettuce wraps. And I was not disappointed. I mean, they were so crunchy and took about 10 minutes to make, which is so perfect. Then for an afternoon pick-me-up, I snacked on some sunflower butter and jam dippers while walking on my treadmill and editing some videos. And by dinner time, I was so exhausted I just wanted something quick and easy, so this 10-minute tofu and veggie stir fry with coconut curry was a godsend. Then it was finally time for my favorite sweet treat, the almond chickpea cookie dough, which I never skip on. So do yourself a favor and add it to your cart because it always hits the spot.